What's your top tip for dealing with structured content and localization?
My top tip would be to ensure that you consider localization right from the outset, whether that's in your choice of tool, your platform that you use, and particularly in how you put together the rules for creating your content, the use of snippets and variables, for example, but also how you're going to build scalability into your process, making sure that you are able to identify content properly, tag it in such a way that it can be excluded from the translation process, for example, and make sure that you're authoring to meet the needs of all languages that you're going to go into, not just English.
My top tip would be consider content creation and localization as a cyclical process, something which should be repeatable so that your content can evolve over time and you can keep updating it, and test to make sure that you can do that without running into version conflicts, without running into technical problems in the pipeline. So having a repeatable process tested end to end would be a good thing to do at a very early stage in your project.
Great.